friends, tubers, connoisseurs of fine Taiwanese cuisine. We are here at the TiHu, the Noodle House, located in the Francis Lewis Boulevard. And what do we have today here, Brother Al?
All right, thank you, Jenda. But right now we have Taiwanese crispy fried oysters.
Oh, nice, nice.
And when you eat that, you gotta eat with a little Taiwanese salt and pepper.
Okay, got a lot of basil in there?
Yeah, and you fry them together.
Yes, and you got sweet Chinese sausage here?
Sausages,
Taiwanese sausage?
Taiwanese sausages and fresh garlic.
That's right. I noticed we don't saute them, they're just like raw.
Raw, you gotta chew them raw.
Oh, beautiful.
Take one bite and then one bite of garlic.
Okay, one bite and one bite of garlic.
That's it.
Nice, and what do we got here?
And,
we got more food coming in.
Okay.
Nice. Packing up the table here.
Okay, stir fry.
All right.
Stir fry mei fan. Taiwanese style, stir fry.
Okay, rice noodles, right?
Rice noodles.
Gotcha,
yes.
Gotcha. What do we got here?
Then this, we have marinated sanbei.
Right, it's called 3-cup chicken, right?
Three cup squid.
Oh, this is squid?
Yes.
Oh, it's not chicken.
Why is it called 3 cups? Because they use a cup of oil, cup of soy sauce, and
wine.
Cup of wine.
Yes, that's right. Yep. Wow. And what do we got here?
And now this is what we call gegung. The additional leftover stuff that from the fresh market that we introduced last time in your last
They call it an
video.
extra roll or chicken roll, but it's not mostly chicken. It's got pork in it.
Pork. It's made out of pork.
And we got the secret sauce.
And we got the secret red sauce. Yes.
And here it is again. Taiwanese special.
And you got noodle fan. It's marinated
braised pork
over rice.
Rice with eggs.
And Wangua.
Nice. Oh, that yellow stuff right there.
Yes.
Pickle.
Taiwanese pickle.
Yeah, pickle. What is that? Pickle?
Yes.
Radish. There we go. Okay. And we got here?
We have sasanyo. This is a beef with Kongxingcai, yes.
Yes, ask your Chinese friend. Yes, that's right, Uncle Ben. For translation, okay.
In sata flavor.
Nice, sata. That's like a barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce, right?
Yes.
Nice. And what do we got here? Looks like chicken nuggets.
We have the fried, crispy chicken nuggets.
Oh, beautiful.
Taiwanese style, of course.
And what about this thing? Looks like a wedding cake.
Dangabigo. This is sticky rice cake.
Sticky rice. Gotcha.
And it's not stir fried. It's not fried. It's steamed.
It's steamed.
Yes.
Nice.
Again, you gotta have that secret sauce.
Oh yes, that's right. 100% Taiwanese. Yeah. And what do we got here? Bubbling in this plate.
Out of the whole table, this is the most heaviestly tasted.
Yes. Flavored.
Yes.
Heavy flavor.
Spicy. See, I'm trying to emphasize that,
That's
it's very spicy.
It'll burn your house down.
And this is pork intestines.
Nice.
And pig's blood.
Nice. Okay.
And
then we got
delicious. Here. And then marinated seaweed.
This is seaweed?
Oh, I'm sorry. More. I'm sorry.
It's fungus. Black fungus.
Yeah, black fungus. Mushroom.
Okay then. What do we got here?
Pancake style.
Yes. And then we got there?
Stir-fried dry radish and scrambled eggs.
Oh, stir-fried dry radish and scrambled eggs. Yes.
And traditional pork meatball soup.
Right. Okay. And the last dish that we have, right, is a Korean dish right here, running for Assembly District 25.
Special appearance.
And what do we got? What's your name, sir?
Hi, Hawaii. My name is Kenneth Pate, running for New York State Assembly District 25 here in Queens.
Yes.
This restaurant is in my district.
Okay.
And again, this is actually located not too far from my house, but at the same time, again, I learned something today. This is not just a Chinese restaurant. This is Taiwanese restaurant.
That's right.
And I came here. All the food has a great presentation. Texture is beautiful.
Yes.
And I just look at the price point. It's really low, and it's really reasonable price. Hey guys, come on out, support your local businesses here at in my district, but come on down to this restaurant, try this food. I cannot wait to try this food. Come on. So I gotta go. Bye.
Yes,
Thank you.
Oh, and but before you go, once again, small businesses represents what percentage?
About 75% here in New York City.
Right.
And we need to
working
support
it or
this.
own it.
Either you work in it, either you own it, or you work for the small business. So if you think about it, it's not just one small business we're talking about. One small business with many lives depending on.
Yes.
And we need to help these local small businesses. We need to support them 100%. Please come out and enjoy the food. I cannot wait.
Okay, cool. Let's dig
Thank
in.
you, Kenny.
Yay.
And thank you, Jenda. And thank you, YouTubers.
Thank you. Thank everybody.
Kado.
Oh my God, look at this. We pretty much cleaned up.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Cleaned up,
This
cleaned
is
up.
definitely worth it to
Right?
come here and visit.
Future Assemblyman.
Oh wow.
District 25.
So nice.
There we go. You're going to take it. The takedown is happening. The takedown is happening. All right, tourists, we are here with the proprietor and the head chef, and of course, Brother Al acting as translator. All right,
Hello.
We have Mr. Jang, right? Born in Taiwan.
Born in
Mr. Zhang,
Taiwan.
Yes. How long have you been cooking?
做中破菜做偌久？哦，起碼都40個。
45 years.
45 years. Older than many of us combined.
He
How did
started
you start?
when he was in the Taiwanese army.
In the Taiwanese army as a cook.
He's our friend.
Interesting.
Yep.
Interesting.
And he started cooking when he was serving in the Taiwanese army as a cook.
Okay.
Yep.
When did he come to America?
當時喺邊個？
我92年嚟啊，
Oh, 1992. He's been here since 1992. Yeah.
32 years ago.
32 years.
That is incredible. And where did he start his first restaurant in America?
Flushing, New York. I can answer that.
Boy, it seems like you have a lot of this knowledge
Yes,
already
sir.
because you're
Yeah.
familiar with our friend here.
Yes,
Yes,
and he's a
yes.
very good friend of mine. And we eat, we drink, we have fun, we
The
laugh.
food has been fantastic.
Yes.
What is his special dish? What do you think is the
兄弟还是哪一道菜？
这邊啊講呢
How do I say this?
啲，因為我囡仔就做這啊，大
I
家
started
家
this when I was
做菜呢，
when I was younger,
我
and
是專業的，你啊講
I'm a
我教專業
professional chef.
所以物件出來一定是有個水準的。你講這樣菜好，你是要哪做？
So when my dishes come out, I have my own level, and then they are presentable, and then they're tasty.
incredible?
All of them.
Over 45 years.
45 years.
So when was the first time that he cooked? When as a child?
做恁那的时阵，
我16歲去台北，開始就以西碗
I went to
西碗西
Taipei
料
in when I was 16,
1976年
1975 or 76,
Wow.
He's a
he was
cheater.
16
and I
years
started
old.
as a dishwasher.
dishwasher.
這是我說3年，
3 years,
That is amazing.
然後3年切菜，
and then after that, preparing for the dishes for 3 years.
I see. So we
Sunday.
know that his restaurant was in the heart of Flushing before.
Yes.
When did he move into the current location?
咱家当时开的
6月7年嘛，6月
June 1st, 2024.
Oh my God. It's been only about 2 months.
2 months. Yes.
Yes. And so far, how has business been?
行李安娜。
可以使啦，可以的，伊即賣小
It's
碗
okay.
That's right, because his reputation carries
Yes.
him.
And hopefully with this video, we can attract more and more people to come and support local businesses
Absolutely.
like Mr. Chang's.
Mr. Chang's, yes. Well, thank you, Mr. Chang, for the great food. We
Thank you,
appreciate
Jenda.
your hard work.
Thank you.
Thank you. 谢谢。
谢谢。
Bye, YouTubers. See you next time.
Yes.